He wanted to. I need to update. I need to update. Cause so I don't get infected with. I need to update. Yeah, get it back. I need to update. Get it back. What can I do to help my mental computer? My dad will not buy me a charger for my laptop. Now if I get mad, there's a way to prevent overload on my mental computer, so I don't get overloaded with information when I even have information overload. I just said when I feel like I'm gonna overload, and I mean that I feel like I'm gonna overload. And if I feel like I'm gonna overload, I can take a break or take deep breaths or use my mental antivirus program. I can install my mental antivirus program. Now I can do that in the shady. Yo. I need to avoid getting infected with. And I need to avoid getting infected with ransomware. Yo. If my dad curses or uses the F word, I start to run away from him cause he knows I'm getting scared. Now he doesn't wanna buy me a charger for my laptop, so I'm infected with. I got enough to back top. Yo. Then when I said something, I will FBI. If you wanna roll something, I will government. You got me all something. No, I need this virus protection. I need to stop fronting like we doing so. I need to let that my mind. Yo. Get it to bed in the wrong. Doing the same like, and the virus getting that virus get that. Get that virus, get that. Soldier like a virus, that virus get that. And the soldier for me, and the soldier of you. Soldier for me, wrong with the soldier. Yo. Yeah, got a beautiful soldier, we get that. Soldier, we get that. Wicked like a virus. Soldier, we get that. Soldier, we get that. Soldier, we get that. Wicked like a virus. I don't even install it. That's so like a virus. Take